Today I am reviewing the Skytech Legacy Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a gaming PC that doesn't just meet the demands of modern gaming, but absolutely destroys them, then the Skytech Legacy Gaming PC desktop might be the ultimate rig for you. Let's start with what makes this machine a true beast. At its core, it's powered by the Intel Ultra 9 285K processor, clocked at 3.7 GHz and capable of turbo boosting up to a staggering 5.7 GHz. This isn't just fast. It's one of the most powerful consumer CPUs on the market today, giving you lightning-quick responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, video editing, or running complex simulations. From loading massive open-world maps in seconds to streaming in 4K without dropping a frame, this CPU handles it all effortlessly. But what's a killer CPU without a graphics card to match? The Skytech Legacy doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with the monstrous NVIDIA RTX 5090 graphics card, complete with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. This is next-gen GPU tech, capable of real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and ultra-smooth 4K gaming performance, even on the most demanding titles. Whether you're diving into the lush environments of Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing cranked up, or dominating in competitive esports titles like Valorant or Apex Legends, the RTX 5090 delivers jaw-dropping visuals and fluid frame rates with ease. Now let's talk speed. The PC includes a massive 2TB Gen5 NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This isn't just large, it's blazingly fast. Gen5 SSDs are up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, which means your games load nearly instantly. File transfers are lightning quick, and system boot up takes mere seconds. Combined with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz, multitasking is an absolute breeze. You can run multiple heavy applications at once, edit high-resolution video, or have dozens of browser tabs open without breaking a sweat. Of course, with great power comes great heat, but Skytech has that covered too. The Legacy Gaming PC comes with a massive 420mm AIO Liquid Cooler with RGB fans. This isn't your average liquid cooling system. It's built for serious thermal performance. Even under heavy loads, the system stays cool and whisper quiet, thanks to the top-of-the-line cooling solution. Say goodbye to thermal throttling and loud, distracting fan noise. And let's not ignore the aesthetics. The system is housed in a sleek white Skytech Legacy case with tempered glass side panels and vibrant RGB lighting. It's not just a powerhouse, it looks the part too. The RGB RAM, the RGB cooler, and internal lighting combined to give it a futuristic, premium feel that stands out whether it's on your desk or under it. Connectivity is solid as well. You get Wi-Fi built in with 802.11 AC support, a variety of USB ports, including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, as well as HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. You'll have no issues connecting to your favorite monitors or peripherals. And yes, Skytech throws in a free gaming keyboard and mouse, which is a nice touch to get you started right away. As for software, it runs Windows 11 Home right out of the box, completely bloatware-free. That means no unnecessary programs slowing your system down. Just clean, ready-to-use Windows optimized for gaming and productivity. When it comes to gaming performance, this rig handles it all. AAA titles like Grand Theft Auto 5, Elden Ring, Dragon's Dogma 2, and Call of Duty run flawlessly on ultra settings in 4K. Even the newest releases like Helldivers 2, Black Myth Wukong, and Marvel Rivals are no match for the RTX 5090. You'll get buttery smooth 60 frames per second and beyond, making every game look and feel like a cinematic experience. And don't forget, this system is assembled in the USA, backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and includes free lifetime technical support. That kind of peace of mind matters, especially when you're investing in high-end gear. To wrap it up, the Skytech Legacy Gaming PC desktop is nothing short of a future-proof gaming monster. It's perfect for hardcore gamers, streamers, creators, and even professionals who need elite performance. With its cutting-edge components, jaw-dropping speed, and stunning looks, this PC is built not just for today's games, but for tomorrow's too. If you're serious about your setup and want something that delivers on every front, speed, power, cooling, and style, the Skytech Legacy should be at the very top of your list.